It's early autumn in Southern California. The temperate weather and ocean breezes make this region ideal for life. But with frequent wildfires and a deteriorating political climate, creatures here are in a race for survival. An orb weaver spider is creating a new web. Each strand must be expertly placed if the spider hopes to pass his building inspection from the county. Most orb weavers use local contractors, but this spider convinced his wife he could do it himself. He shares this hidden world with a red-humped caterpillar, a praying mantis, and his cousin, Kevin.